into a laser pointer in PowerPoint and even change its color. This simple trick can instantly make your presentations more engaging and professional, and the best part is it only takes a few seconds to set up. Let's start with the quickest method. First, begin your slideshow by pressing F5 or going to the Slideshow tab and selecting either From Beginning or From Current Slide. Once your presentation is running, hold down the Control key and then left-click your mouse. You'll notice your mouse pointer instantly transforms into a laser pointer. Just drag your mouse around to highlight anything on the slide, and when you release the click, the pointer disappears. It's a smooth and seamless way to direct attention during your talk without interrupting the flow. Now, let's look at another method that gives you even more control. While you're in slideshow mode, simply right-click anywhere on the slide. A menu will appear, go down to Pointer Options, and then choose Laser Pointer. Your mouse will now stay as a laser pointer until you change it back. To turn it off, press the ESC key or right-click again, go back to Pointer Options, and uncheck Laser Pointer. But what if you want to customize it? PowerPoint also lets you change the color of your laser pointer to match your theme or style. To do this, exit slideshow mode, head over to the slideshow tab and click Setup Slideshow. In the pop-up window, look for the laser pointer color option. Here you can choose between red, green, or blue. Once you've made your choice, start your slideshow again, and your mouse will now shine in that color whenever you activate the laser pointer. And that's it. With just a couple of clicks, you can turn your mouse into a powerful tool for keeping your audience focused and make your presentation look way more polished. If you found this guide helpful, give it a try in your next presentation. You'll be surprised how much of a difference it makes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.